We're going to show how Andy Howler, GM of Stamp Corp, was able to increase his inventory accuracy from the low 90s to 99.7%, primarily through serial tracking. Specifically, we'll show how it works from the arrival of the coiled steel to the finished good in a customer container, and then how serialization allowed Andy to trace a bad heat number of coiled steel from an OEM container in a matter of minutes. As soon as the steel arrives at the plant, it receives a tracking number. On that tracking number, a great deal of information can be stored, such as the quantity, quality, heat number, mill number, or any other information that's important to you. Once the coil of steel is picked up by the forklift driver, the driver scans the coil so Andy knows where it is in the warehouse. When the steel enters the production line, we'll show how the machine operator can use ERP Corp's production manager to manage the inventory accurately. To ensure materials are tracked, the shop floor machine operator can't record production or print labels unless he first enters the materials. But what happens if the operator grabs the wrong gauge of steel and scans the wrong material into the system? Andy's operator will be informed that it's the wrong material because it's not on the bill of materials. So not only does production manager ensure materials are tracked, but it also ensures that only the right materials are used. Once materials are loaded into the production process, a relationship is established between the coil of steel and the finished container of parts. Because this relationship has been established, it's easy for Andy to deal with a customer complaint about a container that's shipped. Andy can drill down on the serial number of the container all the way down to the parts and the heat number and mill number for the coil of steel. So we've briefly shown how serial tracking works and why Andy feels it's the main reason why his inventory accuracy went from the low 90s to 99.7%.